Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Backblaze B2 for render storage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Backblaze B2 for render storage, begin by visiting the Backblaze website. Create a Backblaze account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Backblaze account. Once logged in, navigate to the B2 Cloud Storage section in the dashboard. Click on Buckets to create a new storage bucket. Choose a unique name for the bucket and select the appropriate settings for your needs. After creating the bucket, click on it to open the bucket details. Now, locate and select the App Keys option on the left sidebar. Click on Add a new application key. Provide a name for your application key to help you identify it later. Select the bucket you just created to restrict access for this key. Click on Create Key to generate your application key. Note down the key ID and application key, as you will need them for authentication. Next, open your preferred programming environment or tool for accessing Backblaze B2. Install any necessary libraries or SDKs for Backblaze B2 if required. In your code or configuration, insert the key ID and application key you obtained earlier. Set the endpoint for Backblaze B2, typically in the format https://s3.s-west-002.back. To ensure everything is set up correctly, run a simple code snippet to validate the connection. You should now be authenticated with Backblaze B2 and ready to use your render storage. Test your authentication by uploading a small file to your bucket. Once confirmed, you can proceed with additional storage operations as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with Backblaze B2. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.